Saturday morning, December 20th. Loving it. Half day of school yesterday. Yes, we fear the bunny. Yeah, okay. It's a thing here where we are. It has to do with magic. Okay. Anyway, welcome. We've got 2 day 20 packages and a day 7 package on the 12-day one to open up. Yes, we're on the second 6 of the 12-day on the other half, and it's really going grand. So, to start with, Missouri Star, we had that wonderful Ingrid's, little mini Ingrid's 10 with the embroidery in it. The full 10 is like $60, and this little mini 10, I just kind of cut it in half. I didn't know what to do. I couldn't find much in comparison to it, so I gave it a $30 value. So that brings up the total value of our box from Missouri Star Quilt Company. It brings a total value of $359 value for a $200 box that we bought. So that's $159 over cost right now, the value in that box. And we still have today plus 5 more days. Well, off to a roaring good start. So far, I've liked everything in there. I can't say there's any one thing that well, there might be 1 or 2 things that if they didn't put in, they substitute with something else, I'd have been just as happy maybe. But overall, and that's only talking 1 or 2 items, and actually I can't even think of the second one, maybe 1, but I've liked them all. In fact, I'm using the stars over there on my little tree where my bingo card sits. So let's look at day 20. It is squishy, like fabric. Let me do a little dance around here. Okay, let's get this open. I'll let you see what I see right off the bat. We'll see it together. Look at this. Ooh, isn't this gorgeous? Ooh, I can't tell if it's cheater fabric or a panel at the moment. It could be either or, maybe both. Oh, I love the colors. I'm calling it a panel. Nothing written on it so far. Oh, I think there's a little writing down. No, that's just the color. Maybe. Nope, that's just the colors. No writing down there. Ooh, nice. Maybe something we can do anything with then, right? Not tall enough. There we go. All right. Oh, so it's about a yard of fabric here, and I'm dying to see what they're going to do with it. But tomorrow might have something to do with it. I don't know. That's the fun of it. We'll find out. Plus, later on this morning, I'll go look at their videos. Maybe we'll catch a clue there. So let's go on. Let's go over to Soft Squares. Soft Squares A-Box. A-Box cost $185, and after the 1 yard Moda La Creme, and then we got 2 fat quarters. They were not Ruby Star, but they were Moda. The Creativity Roars, and so I gave that value there 13. It was, is that right? Yes. 8, 9, I guess 9 for the $9 for the 1 yard fabric, because I went and looked up manufacturer's suggested retail price. And then the 2 fat quarters, I can't read my own writing, but it says eat plus and it says equals. 13. So that brings, we subtract that from what we've put into the box with our own money, and we have $49 to break even. And we still have 6 days, including this one to put in there, and 5 plus 5 more. I don't think there'll be any problem getting our money's worth and then some out of it. That's my prediction. So let's just get to it, shall we? Seven, it shakes, and I can't quite, I almost feel like there's a pen or something in there, but I'm not sure about the rest. So, let's take a look. Because it's wrapped together in a bag. How nice. Very nice. These fun and helpful things are great. Personal items for your bags. Are you a material girl? Well, let's open this up. Might have helped for reading it, right? Don't you think? Why didn't I think of that first? But I had it right. Personal items for our bags. Okay. Well, oh, Soft Square's pink pin. Of course, it makes it much better because it's pink, right? Indeed. Please excuse the mess. I quilt here, magnet. Very good. Somebody's been in my studio room a time or two, maybe, huh? Oh, look at this. That's a key ring. Oh, perfect. Beautiful things come together one stitch at a time. And we have scissors, sewing machine, and a tape measure. Isn't that adorable? Oh, wow. I love it. I love it. And then there's some, wait, there's more. What is in here? It's a box, and it says, luggage, pink luggage tag that says Material Girl. No, yes. Oh, sweet. Look at this. Awesome. Thank you. This is a great, great box. Love it. Oh, this is wonderful. Some nifty things. I am happy, happy, happy. Full of joy today so far. This is just rocking it out. I'm telling you. Let's move on to the B box. That was A box. B box. B box day 20. I would say it was a quilt hanger, but I don't know. I don't think so, because we already got one. So what is this? I don't know, because it has squishy, like there's something, like that foam, like the foam that was over the other one, but not quite. But B box, we are already $143 in the black, which puts the total value of our B box at $468 when we paid $325. So, yes, it's almost half that value given back to us already, and we're not even done. This is day 20. We still have 5 more days. I am trying to figure out how to open this. I think I just did. Oh, that was a lie, because I need to do this. Now I can open it. Ta-da! Oh, I am friends with Vicki at Creative Notions. I love her custom rulers and patterns. When I found out that I could get my hands on this ruler, I had to grab it. This is not as intimidating as you may think. Give it a try with a small project first, then go big. Okay, well, there's a pattern too, a wall hanging. Look at that. Oh my gosh, reminds me of Wheel of Fortune. It's called the Starburst wall hanging, or table runner. The table runner option inside. There we go. Oh, nice. Oh, okay, gotta be cool. Gotta be cool. Be cool. Yeah, be cool. Be cool. So, get to it. It's hermetically sealed. I need a PhD in how to unseal this foam. Oh, I think. Ooh. Oh. Isn't this beautiful? It is a 15 degree, 12.5-inch ruler. Looky there. Wow. Nice. Oh my gosh. Just get the markings for 60 and the 45 and the 30. So as you're cutting, if you're doing it, oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I do not have this and I love it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sing and dance here, okay? Oh my goodness. Fabric Magician is happy. I hope you have some joy. I hope you found some joy today as well. Find your joy, spread it around, because goodness, there's not enough of it out there, so we need more. And let's start a fire with joy, shall we? Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and joyous Kwanzaa to you. And if none of those fit, then just happy holidays. All right. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Sunday the 21st.